Bungalows in South Mumbai is a rarity and retains its charm, like this bungalow, which is a fully done up, exclusively furnished with electronics, renovated couple of years ago and spent more than 8 to 10 cr just on renovation, right next to Emmanuel Church. We are at Lamington Road, Grant Road. Let's go in and have a look at this one. 2500 square feet plot area. We got staff room out there in the corner with the washroom for them as well, and that's the one. Good elevation and great height, planters outside. One of the best bungalows that you'll ever see in South Mumbai, in this part and in this locality. Fabulous and a great old-fashioned Mumbai. Let's go and have a look. So we've got a staff room and the staff washroom there. That's your parking outside. Lamington Road, busy as usual. Italian marble flooring as we enter the house. Let's shut the house and the main door here. And what we have is a brilliant, exclusively done up. It's all soundproof walls and soundproof windows. So outside you don't get to hear any kerfuffle from outside as well. This is a beautiful 8 to 10 crores spent in this one. You got a gorgeous mandir onto this side, and everything that's been brought from abroad, the furniture, the electronics, everything that's contemporary, modern and eclectic. Have a look. 2500 plot area as well as a usable. We've got 3 bedrooms, living, dining here, steps to take you up, and the ceiling height is big, massive. There you go, that's your living. Let's go and have a look at the kitchen here. We got a kitchen which is with the platforms, marble platforms, good storage as well, veneer laminate, and the dry area as well. As you can see, the dry wash and the utility is massive. You can also have a little garden. They used to have a little garden and have tables and stuff like that sit around. So if you shut this, it becomes a dry area come sit-in space as well, come garden as well. Have a look at the height and the magnanimity of this lovely and a gorgeous bungalow. It's a rarity. This bungalow you won't find anywhere else with this kind of make. Let's go on the opposite direction. The bedroom, this one here, has a walk-in wardrobe with the bathroom here, with the bathtub. So walk-in wardrobe. Everything is Sagwan wood. The Sagwan wood cost a lot. All the wooden work is Sagwan. So this is attached as well as common from outside for being able to use by anybody, for the guest as well. Lovely. Let's finish this one here. So this becomes common as well. Look at the design, the light and the mood lighting. Everything is brand new, unique. This bedroom here is again elegant and fabulously designed. What we have is hydro massage here inside. Have a look just to show you. It's a hydro massage and also the rainwater system, so your body gets massaged and therapeutic. It is you feel relaxed once you come from outside. Big tall nice wardrobes as well. Italian marble flooring everywhere, goes without saying. Look at the walls and stonework and everything. That is sensational. Such kind of bungalows are unique and rare and hard to find. This bedroom has a walk-in there. Have a look. Nice big walk-in closet. And the attached bathroom is swish and modern. Have a look at this side as well. Now let's go up and have a look. We've seen all the bedrooms down here with the bathrooms. Let's go up and see the first level. The first level is also a living space. You can convert that into a bedroom. So we're going on the first level, taking the steps up, and the view is again fabulous. Ground plus one is stunning. Look at the rooftop, the sloping roof, and Sagwan wood everywhere. So much spent, 8 to 10 CR spent here. And on this one, you got a living space. You got a study corner there, and the weights there, so you can work out. A little bit of stuff lying down there, so you can have bedrooms here. And then you open this up, got a bathroom, so it's sloping. There you go. You got to be watchful, mind your head. So you can come right in the center, and this is so cool and fab. You know why? Because there's no noise coming from outside. Even the walls are soundproof. The system is such, and of course the windows as well. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this bungalow, Lamington Road, Grant Road East, on sale, holla at me, guys. Cheers.